Hey there, a new video is here. Today the topic is pronoun. In this video we will talk about what is pronoun, what are the types of pronoun. So let's learn. First of all, if you notice, you can see that the word noun is there in the word pronoun. So what is the relation between noun and pronoun? Pronoun is a word which we can use in the place of noun. In other words, we can say it as noun reliever. Now, why am I saying this? Let's see a passage. Some sentences. Ram saw a snake. Ram was afraid that the snake would bite Ram. So, Ram killed the snake. Now, the same passage I am reading in a different way. Ram saw a snake. He was afraid that the snake would bite him, so he killed it. Now see what is the difference between the previous passage and this one. Simple. I am using he in the place of Ram, also him, and I am using it in the place of snake. This is the job of pronoun. A pronoun is used in the place of noun just to make the language easy. That is why I am telling this noun reliever. It actually relieves noun and makes the language easy. Now we will talk about the types of pronoun. Here it is my bizarre handwriting. Personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, relative pronoun and interrogative pronoun. Let's learn. Personal pronoun has an assistant term, person. There are three types of persons. We know this. First person, second person and third person. What is first person? Whatever I related words are first person. Like I, we, my, our, etc. Next, second person, you related words like you, yours, your and so on. And lastly, last but not the least, third person, he, she, it, they, them. These words are not I related, not you related. So without I and without you, whatever is there in the person word, that is third person. Now possessive personal pronouns. Now these personal pronouns have some possessive forms like mine, your, yours, his, her, their. Now first of all, what is possessive? Possessive, this word is derived from the word possession. That means something is there in my hand or in my possession. Let me give you some example in sentences. I don't know. Yeah, it is here. Thank God. This car is mine. This is your house. So the noun house or the car and the pronoun mine and your is denoting that something is there in somebody's possession. Like mine. The car is in my possession. The house is in your possession. So that is why it is called possessive personal pronouns. Now one more thing, there is the word there. The spelling THEIR is actually pronoun and THERE is an adverb. This we have to keep in mind because there are so many spelling mistakes I have seen in the copy of some students. Okay. Next we are going to demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun is tells the direction of a noun. That means where is the noun. Let's see. Demonstrative pronouns are these, that, these, those. Now I have segregated it in two parts. near and far. Yes. THIS, this, singular, and THESE, these, plural. These two terms we denote those things which are near to me or near to somebody. And if those things are far than us, then we will use that or those. Now we have to see some pictures to identify it. Now see this picture. This is a circle. See, the writing and the picture are quite near to each other. While that is a square, the writing is far than the picture square. Or we can say the picture is quite far than the writing, the sentence, that is a square. This example I have used here to denote what I want to say to you. So if something is near to you, then you will use this, THIS, this. And if that is far from you, then you will use THAT, that. It's a very simple thing. And if something which is the subject of your sentence, that is quite that is more than one in number, then that means I have to use the term plural. Yeah, singular and plural. If that is plural in number, so you will use THESE, these, and THOSE, those. So if many circles are there that is near to you, then you will use these are circles. And if the squares are far from you, you will use those are squares. I hope the example looks easy to you. One more thing about demonstrative pronoun is that eat, this word is also under demonstrative pronoun. Next we are going to relative pronoun. You can see the word relative, that comes from relation. That means relative pronoun is a word which makes relationship between whom? Two sentences. Just see here, I am giving two examples. I like my mother, who is a good woman, and this is the house which I got as a prize. Now who and which, these two words are actually relative pronoun. Now what they are doing? See the two sentences. The first one, I like my mother, who is a good woman. Easily you can identify that this sentence has two parts. I like my mother, one part, who is a good woman. Now these two parts are joining by which word? WHO, who. And in the second sentence, this is the house, first part, which I got as a prize, second part. They are joining by which word? Which, WHICH. So relative pronoun are those words which are making relations or in short we can say they are joining two sentences or two parts of sentences. Next we are moving towards interrogative pronoun. Any kind of question regarding words, who, which, what, why, they are all interrogative pronoun. Now what is the difference between relative pronoun and interrogative pronoun? This is very easy to you. Interrogative pronouns are those WH words through which you can start a question, like who is your mother, why are you doing this, what is your name, which color do you like. So interrogative pronoun are those WH words through which you can start a question. On the other hand, relative pronoun are those words through which you can relate two sentences or you can join two sentences. That's all for today. There are some other parts of pronouns. We will discuss that later. If you have any question, you can ask that in the comment section. That's all for today. See you in the next day.